We want to compare the following fractions and decimals using the greater than, less than, or equal symbol. So what we're going to do is convert these fractions to decimals and then do the comparison using decimals. We just looked at several examples on how to convert fractions to decimals by hand, so for these we'll use the calculator. The main thing to remember though is the fraction bar represents division, so to convert 5/6 to a decimal, we'll have to divide 5 by 6. So 5 divided by 6 gives the decimal. Notice how this tells us the 3 is repeating. So 5/6 is equal to 0.83 with a bar over the 3. We want to compare this to 0.833. So to compare these two decimals, what we're going to do is compare the digits to the right of the decimal point from left to right. And as soon as we find a decimal that has a larger digit in a given place value, that decimal is larger than the other. So to do this, let's go ahead and expand this to include more digits. So 0.83 repeating is equivalent to 0.8333 and so on. And we're going to compare this to this decimal, which we'll write as 0.833. If we wanted to add one more digit, it would have to be a 0. Notice how both of these now contain 4 digits to the right of the decimal point, and this last digit, they do have a different number, so we can do the comparison. Notice the digits are the same until we get out to this fourth decimal place, or the 10,000ths place value. And since 3 is greater than 0, the decimal on the left, or this decimal here, is greater than this decimal here. Therefore, 5/6 is greater than 0.833. Let's take a look at the second example now. We'll first convert 2/3 to a decimal using the calculator. So we'd have 2 divided by 3. We need to be careful here. Notice how the calculator is rounding this last digit. 2/3 is equal to 0.6 with the 6 repeating, which we would write as 0.6 with a bar. We want to compare this decimal to 0.667. So we want to expand this decimal out to at least 3 or even 4 place values to the right of the decimal point. So let's go ahead and write this as 0.6666 repeating, and we'll compare this to 0.667. If we wanted to add one more digit, it would have to be a 0. Now as we start to compare the place values to the right of the decimal point, notice how in the third place value here, which is the thousandths place value, this is a 6 and this is a 7. 7 is greater than 6, therefore this is the larger fraction, or we can say this decimal here is less than this decimal here, therefore 2/3 is less than 0.667. Okay, I hope these examples were helpful. Thank you for watching.